In this video, I will show you how to convert handwritten notes to Word text documents. To convert handwritten notes into text for use in Microsoft Word or other applications, there are several effective methods available. Method 1. Using Google Lens. First, take a picture or scan your handwritten notes. Open your Google Chrome web browser. Click on the image. Click on the Google Lens or camera icon. Click Upload a file. Select your image and click Open. Google Lens will analyze it and highlight any detected text. Now select the text. After selecting the desired text, click on the Copy button that appears at the top of the screen. This action copies the text to your clipboard. Launch Microsoft Word on your device. Start a new document or open an existing one where you want to paste the text. Paste here. Your handwritten notes should now appear as editable text in Word. Review the pasted text for any errors or misinterpretations that may have occurred during conversion. Make any necessary edits to ensure accuracy. Method 2. Using Google Docs. First, take a picture or scan your handwritten notes. Open your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Drive. Click on the plus New button on the left side. Select File Upload and choose your PDF or image file to upload. Once uploaded, find the file in your Google Drive. Just refresh your tab. Right-click on the uploaded file. Select Open With, then choose Google Docs. Google Docs will automatically create a new document that includes the image at the top and the converted text below it. This may take a moment depending on the size of the file. Review the converted text for any errors or inaccuracies. Handwriting recognition may not be perfect, especially with unclear handwriting. Use the editing tools in Google Docs to format, correct, or enhance your text. By following these steps, you can efficiently convert handwritten notes into editable text using Google Docs and Google Lens.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.